Some years ago, I was invited to work with the sculptor John Robinson to produce some ray-traced animations based on his abstract geometrical sculptures. We produced a series of 24 animations, and these include some of my favourites, and they were collected together to produce a CD-ROM called Symbolic Sculpture. One animation in particular has always attracted a lot of attention. This is the animation based on John Robinson's sculpture Immortality, which takes the form of a Mebius strip. Now, it's easy to form a Mebius strip. Take a rectangular piece of paper, give it a twist and then glue its ends together. And we produce a surface which has just one side, and we can show this by drawing a line all the way around. And this covers both the front and back of what was the rectangle, showing that the Mebius strip just has a single surface, and it also just has a single edge. But the unusual thing about John Robinson's sculpture is that the Mebius strip is twisted into a trefoil knot, and that is the origin of the animation. John Barrow included a frame from the animation in his 2008 book published by Bodley Head, Cosmic Imagery, Key Images from the History of Science. Unfortunately, John Robinson is no longer with us, but you can find out more about his work on the Bradshaw Foundation website, and I'll include a link to the website in the description below. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the Immortality animation, and we'll be including more of the animations from the Symbolic Sculpture CD-ROM in our forthcoming videos. So please do join us again soon.